What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing to my channel. And while you're at it, smash that like button for me. I really would appreciate it. Also, hit that post notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Be careful down in the comment section of the videos. A lot of spam, a lot of scammers. I will never ask you to contact me by WhatsApp or Telegram. I also do not invest money for my subscribers, so please be careful. Don't get yourself scammed. If you want up to 15 free stocks, Moomoo is going to give you up to 15 free stocks when you open a new Moomoo brokerage account. When you put $100 initially in that brokerage account, they're going to give you 5 free stocks. When you put $1,000 initially in that brokerage account, they're going to give you 15 free stocks. This is a limited time offer, so don't delay. Act today. There's a link down in the description box. Click on that Moomoo link. Open that Moomoo account up today. Go get that free stock. Go get that free money. Well, guys, Nvidia jumped out this morning up almost $3 a share. $127 a share is where the stock was at 9:30 as soon as the market opened. Now, I don't know if this will last, but I got a good feeling that this might be the start of something really, really promising for this stock price over the course of the next 3 months. I don't have a crystal ball, so I can't tell you what's going to happen with it. Wall Street aliens are still manipulating the market, so anything could happen, but this is a good sign. Earnings season is upon us. The Magnificent Seven are due up with other S&P 500 companies, and we'll see how earnings go. If earnings go well, that could be a good positive catalyst to carry the stock market higher. We also know the election is a month away. That could be a catalyst to send the market higher. So we just have to wait and see, guys. We got the Fed meeting on November 6th and 7th. We know they're going to reduce rates another 25 basis points, hopefully. That could be another catalyst. And then to end all catalysts, on November 26th, we got Nvidia coming out with its Q3 earnings report. So, man, I'm excited about what's getting ready to happen. I hope you're excited. I hope you got your wealth transfer blueprint ready to go to capitalize on this last quarter of 2024 and prepare yourself for 2025, right? Now, let's go ahead and take a quick look and see what is going on in the market. Stocks opened lower, pressured by higher rates and rising oil prices. Stocks slipped on Monday as Wall Street struggled to keep the momentum from Friday's rally, and it was a really good rally. The Dow dropped 190 points to 0.5%. The S&P 500 slid 0.3%, and the NASDAQ shed 0.3%. Adding pressure to stocks was an uptick in U.S. Treasury yields. The benchmark 10-year Treasury yield rose nearly 3 basis points to 4.008%. That marks the first time since August that the yield topped 4%. Higher oil prices also weighed as tensions in the Middle East remain high. U.S. crude climbed more than 2% to more than $76 per barrel. The moves come after a bumpy week for stocks that saw the major averages grind out modest gains. The S&P added 0.2% for the week, while the NASDAQ composite inched up 0.1 and the Dow added 0.1. It was the 4th winning week in a row for all 3 major indexes, helped by a stronger than expected jobs report on Friday that gave more support to the idea that the Federal Reserve may pull off a soft landing for the U.S. economy. The Dow closed last Friday, at all-time record high. 2 old adages on Wall Street: don't fight the trend and don't fight the Federal Reserve. These remain among two key pillars for today's equity market. That's coming from investment officer Keith Lerner said in a note Friday. He works for Truist Wealth. However, Lerner did caution that the looming U.S. presidential election and the potential for a so-called October surprise could keep market volatility elevated in the coming weeks. On the economic front, key releases in the week ahead include the Federal Reserve meeting minutes on Wednesday and the Consumer Price Index report on Thursday. Earnings session also starts to heat up with results from Delta Airlines and JP Morgan Chase due out Thursday and Friday, respectively. So that's a quick update, guys, on what's happening with the market on Monday. Listen, here's where I see it. I got to stay true to the wealth transfer blueprint. I got to keep buying assets. Good times, bad times, in between times, right? No matter what's going on in the Middle East, I got to continue buying assets. No matter what's going on with oil prices, I got to keep buying assets. No matter what's going on with U.S. Treasuries, I got to keep buying assets, guys. I got to keep buying assets consistent with my wealth transfer blueprint because I understand long term, that's where I give myself the best opportunity to build wealth. I would ask you, consider what your plan is and just stay true to that plan. Now, sometimes we got to pivot, but make sure if we pivot, we're pivoting for the right reasons, not because of rumors and doom and gloom. Pivot when you believe it's the right time to pivot to continue to build your wealth. Again, Nvidia started out pretty good this morning. How it will finish, who knows? But it's nice to see it at $127 a share, at least when I was recording this video today. We'll see what happens. I believe at some point, prediction, we may get to 140 to 145 before the end of the year. I still have an outside hope that we could get to 165, but we got a couple resistance levels we got to get through before we do that. So let's take it 1 month at a time. We're in the month of October. Let's see how that goes. And then we'll revisit this thing as time continues to progress. Once we get to November, we'll have a good idea. Because remember, November 5th is the presidential election. And I've always said on the other side of the presidential election, I believe the market will go higher. So I got to keep myself in position to be able to take advantage of that last run of 2024. Guys, if you want up to 15 free stocks, you got to get down to the description box and click on that Moomoo link. Sign up for Moomoo today. You put $100 in your new Moomoo brokerage account, you're going to get 5 free stocks. You put $1,000 in that Moomoo brokerage account, you're going to get 15 free stocks. Don't delay, act today. Go get that free stock. Go get that free money. Guys, go check out my new website, www.richardfain.net. Second link down in the description box. Guys, I got 10 big boy blue chip digital products that I believe can help you collapse time frames and get to your pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. Everything from investing in real estate with little to no money down, credit repair, how to get your credit score higher, talk about mindset, going from a bad mindset to a millionaire mindset. Also, I got a product in there that'll help you become a better manager of your money through teaching you how to put together a personal budget that you can live by, to have money left over to be able to invest. Guys, go check out those digital products. Also, consider joining the Wealth Builders. We're the fastest growing financial community on Patreon. We have 1,000+ wealth builders in 5 months, guys. We are taking care of one another and making sure that we all have the opportunity to build wealth. And we're doing it as a family, a financial family. If you want to be a part of that, please, when you're in the website, click on the membership button, click on the join button, and come join the fastest growing financial community on Patreon. We're waiting on you. Well, guys, thank you for stopping by the channel. And if you're stopping by for the first time, please consider subscribing, share the video, smash the like button. Thoughts become things. If you can see it in your mind, you can hold it in your hands. You guys keep chasing your greatness. Never stop believing in yourself. stay healthy, get wealthy, and I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.